friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will show you how to make Cobb salad. To remember the Cobb salad ingredients, we are using a very easy acronym. Eat Cobb. E is eggs, A, avocado, T, tomato, C is for chicken, O is for onion, B is for bacon, and another B is for blue cheese. So let's again run through the ingredients. Eggs, avocado, tomato, chicken, onion, bacon, and blue cheese. So those are the staple ingredients of the Cobb salad. This way now you will never forget them. And for the onion, you can use either green onion or regular yellow onion. And in addition to Eat Cobb, we also serve it on a bed of lettuce and use a dressing of your choice. And now I will show you how to assemble a Cobb salad. So now here are all the ingredients in chopped, ready to go format. Egg, avocado, tomato, chicken, onion, bacon, and blue cheese. So we will start out by putting our lettuce on a plate. And we will layer all our other ingredients. So we will put our eggs, avocado, tomato, chicken, onion, bacon, and the last ingredient, blue cheese. I'm just moving my ingredients to make room. And as the last step, we will add the dressing. And at this point, you can leave the salad layered as is, or you can toss it whichever way you like it. So here we go, Cobb salad. For other easy recipes and cooking tips, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. Enjoy!